This is for Christian. We're gonna do a French drain, basically from about right here. We're gonna start it like right here. Start a French drain like right here somewhere, like right here, and we're gonna go all the way that way, and we'll measure it. All the way this way. All the way this way. You can see there, that's the problem. French drain all the way over here. We're gonna take that French drain all the way over here. So right here. And French drain will stop right here. We'll go into here. That's 184 from over there. Because all this bullshit.